Hello, my name is Salum Khalid, professional mechanical engineer. Uh, Today I'm going to carry on solving basic mathematics, the first paper exam Necta 2000 for the Certificate of Secondary School Education Examination CSEE. Last session we ended up on question number 1. We solved all question number 1, so let us carry on solving the rest of the questions, and I hope you're going to enjoy this tutorial. Yes, welcome. Let's jump into the question very fast. uh, okay, question 2a of this section. You're given that E universal set is going to be A up to D, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and A is going to be A, B, and C, and set B is E, D. So we're going to find A Roman 1, A complement intersection B complement is 1.5 marks, and A intersection B complement is let's go 2 marks. So given that set university that one, set A is that much and set B is that much as well. Okay, now let's find A complement. The A complement by definition is those elements which are not available in set A but available in any universal set. So for this case, A complement is D, E, and B complement those elements available, not available in set B but available in universal set, which is going to be set is going to be A, B, and C. We got to find A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement are those values of elements which are available both in A complement and B complement. When you check on those two sets, there are no elements which are available in both of two sets. Okay, so the answer is going to be an empty set. So A complement intersection B complement is an empty set, which is that symbol. That's over. Let's jump into question number 2a Roman 2. We are given the same sets and we are required to find A intersection B complement. Okay, A intersection B complement. A intersection B is going to be the elements. Let's look on the elements that are available both in A and B sets. But when you check on the elements which are available in both set A and B, no such an element. So A intersection B is going to be an empty set. So the complement of this set is those we are looking for those elements which are available in not available in set A intersection B, but available in a universal set E above. So A intersection B complement is going to be A, B, C, D. That's an answer because these values are not available in A intersection B set but available in a universal set. Okay, let's carry on question number 2b. In a class of 42 students, 31 students study history and 26 study physics. Using Venn diagram or otherwise, find the number of students who study physics only. 4 marks. And let X be the number of students who study both physics and history. 31 students study history and 26 students study physics. And the total number of students is 42. Below is a Venn diagram. Okay, we have said that X is the number of students in which they study both physics and history, and 42 is the total number of students in the class. So this 31, if you want to get the only number of history students, so we need to subtract from x. We need to subtract 31 to x. So to get the only physics students, we subtract that 26 minus x, as this 31 contain some other guys who start both physics and history as well. So to create an equation from the Venn diagram, so to have a total number of students, we need to add all those values in a Venn diagram. So 31 minus x plus 26 minus x is going to be 42. So 31 minus x is this one, and this one cancels each other. Then you have 57 minus x is equal to 42, and then x is going to be that much, and then x is going to be 15. So this is going to be the total number of students who start both physics and history, but we are required to find the number of students who start physics only. The number of students who start physics is 26. Who start physics only, we need to take 26 minus x. So 26 minus x is going to be 26 minus 15, which is 11. So the number of students who start physics only is going to be 11. So that's how simple to solve that question. Let's jump directly into question number 3a. The question is, a distance between two towns on a map of a scale 1 ratio 5 million is 9 centimeters. Find the actual distance between two towns in kilometers, which is going to be 3.5 marks in an exam. Okay, the solution is given that the scale is that much, and this means that on a scale, 1 centimeter on a paper is going to be 5 million centimeters on the ground. So the distance between two towns on a paper is 9 centimeters. So we are required to find the distance. Let's that distance between two towns in kilometer, call it x. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 million centimeters on the ground. Okay, what about 9 centimeters, which is going to be x centimeter on the ground? So we cross multiplication, and x is going to be that much, which is going to be 45 million centimeter on the ground. But we are required to convert this x, which is 45 million, into kilometer. But 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeter. So when we change it, we have 450 kilometer. So the actual distance between two towns is 450 kilometer. That's how pretty simple it is. Okay, let's go to question number 3b. The three classes working 8 hours a day take 5 days to harvest maize from the school chamber. How long will it take if there were only 2 classes but working for 10 hours a day? And it's going to be 4 marks. Okay, let's arrange our question as this. As you can see, the number of classes, time, hours, number of days. The first class, there are 3 classes, and working for 8 hours, use 5 days to harvest that chamber. And what about 2 classes working 10 hours a day, and how long will them take to harvest the same school chamber? So that's going to be like that. So we take 2 times 8 times x, we are going to create an equation, and 3 times 10 times 5. So x, which is going to be in days, is 3 times 10 times 5 divided by 2 times 8 days. So it's going to be 75 divided by 8, which is 9.375 days. By in conversion, we are going to have 9 days and 9 hours. So for 2 classes, it will only take 9 days. It will only take 9 days and 9 hours to have it the same score chamber. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today, and let's end up there in question number 3, and the next session we are going to solve the next of the next questions. We are going to solve the rest of the questions. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel called Solve Tutorial to get more and more videos in different subjects. But to start with, I have started with mathematics. Drop your comment when you want this solution in other format like PDF, PowerPoint, and so on. Or just communicate and send them to you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session, and see you next time. Bye bye.